Hello, crypto world. My name is Marcelo, and this is the #1 crypto news channel for all of you newcomers just getting into the space news. Yeah, I know that sounds a little confusing, but in this space, confusing is a #1 challenge we guys all need to overcome, okay? So, I would also like to mention that I am not a financial advisor, guys, and everything that I specify or say on this channel is only my opinions and thoughts around all things crypto. Okay, guys, now I'm going to move on. Now, for today's episode, we're going to talk about Bitcoin's price and a couple little news things that came out over here about India and doing what they're doing over there with all their new little things coming out. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. And also, I would like to say, if any of you guys are extremely new to this space, I totally understand. I'm gonna try to go as slow as possible for you guys, so that you can understand. I will also get into more charting and those kind of things in future videos. Also, I'd like to say, please start by clicking that like button for me, guys. So it's gonna help me out in making these videos better for you guys, and I'll be able to explain a little more in better detail what we can do in this space to make some money or to just have some fun playing some games, guys. This is what it's about. All right, so as you can see, I'm working here with my little phone, and this is pretty much what I got. I got a phone and a stand right now, and I'm gonna start making videos for you guys. Okay, so as you can see, Bitcoin right here, I got this chart going a little wild over here. I've been in crypto now for a good 4 or 5 years. I haven't just been really too much getting into it, like, investing money and stuff. I've been working really hard, taking care of my family, just had a kid and all that. So I'm just getting back into it now. I know I should have back then, but I just didn't have the funds or the means to do that. I went through a couple bad things in my life, and now I'm kind of recovering from all of that. So guys, work with me, bear with me. I have a lot of knowledge in my head that I'm about to speak out to the world. And if you guys could just support me and, bear with me, I will get better at this, and you will see that I have a lot of knowledge that I could give to you guys. Okay, so if you look at this chart right here, what I'm doing is I learned a couple years ago about the boss method. Okay, now there's this guy called Brandon Kelly. Go check out his channel. I will leave the link down in the description below. He has this boss method, okay, and this boss method, it works wonders, man, let me tell you. So pretty much how it works is I'm going to do a little breakdown for you now real quick, and we'll get into exactly how it works in a future video. But pretty much you want this white line to go over the blue line, and when white goes over the blue, you know what to do, which means buy. All right, when white goes below the blue, then it's good night. Okay, so you want to sell when the white line goes below the blue. Okay, guys, so white over blue, you know what to do. Blue over white, say good night. Okay, guys, that's how it works. Now, this dark area right here, this is a 231 moving average. So we got the 7 is the white, the blue is the 77, and the 231 is this grayish area. This is the long-term buyers, okay, guys? So it goes from short-term to the long-term. And that pretty much when these white and the blue lines, when they go over that, then it's pretty much like a skyrocket from there. Like you can see here how it went over, boom. All right, you can see back over here how it went over, boom. You see that? All right, guys, now here almost every time this plays out, okay, it's really a really great system. All right, and you want to do that, so you sell it pretty much every time it goes below it, you buy it when it goes above it. Okay, guys, so right now we're in this little downtrend. Everyone's talking about we might be in the bear market, we might not be in the bear market, who knows. My opinion, I would say we are not in a bear market. Okay, because if you look here, we'll go to the 1 week. All right, when you do that, guys, when in doubt, you always want to zoom out. Okay, remember that. When in doubt, zoom out. Okay, so if you look here, all right, in the weekly charts, we're gonna put a little trend line coming over here like this, and you'll see that we are still very clearly in a bull cycle. All right, guys, with this uptrend, okay, we're going up. All right, here, let me fix this a little bit. Look, we'll do it from back here, like this, like that. Now, as you can see, the fear is coming from all that. Everyone's freaking out because we're below this trend line. See that? Now, that's not a big deal, okay? Bitcoin does this all the time. All right, guys, look, all these times back in the days. All right, what always ends up happening is we always end up breaking out from that. If you look in the long term, guys, we are oh my, I mean, just look at this. It's an obvious thing, okay? You could just tell. All right, now if you want to draw a real long trend line, we could go like this. And now we still got a nice ways that we can still go down, guys. So, you know, but of course, you know, I understand the market. Everyone's freaking out. Yeah, we're under it, you know. It ain't no big deal, though. You'll see, guys. Hold for the long term, and you're going to be good, all right? So that's Bitcoin. I still think we got a nice leg up that we can do. You could also kind of look at this, and it does look like kind of flaggish, you know, like a nice bear, a bull flag right here. I wouldn't say really it's a bull flag, but you could kind of look at it and say it is. Yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, that's Bitcoin, guys. So we still got to move up. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying to go buy it or anything. Because we still might have some room to go down. We got these trend lines down here, or the support and resistance lines down here that we could go ahead and keep touching and moving up from it, and then climbing back up. You know, so I mean, we're still good, guys. Now, so let's move on. Let's move on from that. Don't be too scared because it's gonna go up. Sorry about that, guys. Someone came in real quick and had to say something to me. All right, so let's move on to this. All right, guys, I found this cool article here. Okay, this cool article right here that I found. Indian crypto regulation is planned for February. Okay, guys, tell me what you think about this. Okay, so right here, the Indian government is reportedly planning to introduce cryptocurrency regulation by the time of the next general budget, which is in February next year. Instead of banning cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the government is likely to regulate crypto assets and commodities, according to reports. All right, guys, so that's what this is. Indian crypto law could come as early as February. Okay. The Indian government's planning to introduce cryptocurrency regulation in February next year. Local news, Business Today reported, elaborating. Okay, cryptocurrencies will most likely come around the time of the next general budget. In 2022 and 23, it's expected February 1st to be presenting during the first half of the Parliament's budget session, which usually begins in the last week of January. Furthermore, the government is likely to regulate cryptocurrencies as an asset class similar to how commodities are regulated, with appropriate taxation on transactions and gains. The news outlet convened in June. The government reportedly said that the Securities and Exchange Board of India will oversee regulations for the cryptocurrency sector after crypto is classified as an asset class. Okay, guys, so tell me what you think about that. I mean, do you think that it's going to be something good for the crypto space, or is this going to be something bad for the crypto space? Who knows? Only time will tell, right? India does not currently regulate the crypto sector directly. The government has been considering a bill titled Banning of Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency. That does sound pretty intense. And what they're trying to do is ban all cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin except state-issued ones. I wonder how that's going to work out. The bill was drafted by an interministerial committee headed by former France Secretary blah blah blah, Subhash Chandra, whatever, and it was published back in July of 2019. Wow, guys, this is some crazy off the wall stuff here coming out. So let's see what happens with that. All right, there's a coin directly tied in with India. It's called the Wazirx token. Now this coin, this is not financial advice, guys. It's probably gonna take a big dump once this happens. Let's see. I don't know, right? I remember when this token came out back in 2017. I believe it was, and I was very extremely bullish on it. It was at like a couple cents. What's up with my internet now? Jesus Christ. But yeah, I mean, right now it should be at a good price. It's probably gonna be going way lower because of this news coming out here in February, which is in a month. So let's go ahead and take a look at this price real quick. Yeah, you see, we're down here. So I'm looking at maybe, we might be jumping back to a 50-cent Wazirx here soon, which is a good 50% drop from here. So let's see, guys. I would not jump in on this now. I would wait and see what happens, and let's see. Let's see what happens. Tell me what you guys think about this, huh? I'm not gonna be jumping in on it. It's just what I'm doing. I'm not getting in on it, but I would really like to know what the worlds are thinking about this. So yeah, guys, let me know about that. And last, guys, let's take a look over here and see what's going on. I got a little clip over here that I had seen. I think it's this one right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Right here. Are you too late for crypto profits, guys? Do you think we're too late? I don't really think we're too late. But let's go ahead and take a look at this video and see what they say.
What up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Toby.
My name is Heidi.
I will leave the link in the description.
AMA questions sent to us.
You will be able to watch the full clip if you click the link down below. I will play, a couple minutes of this.
By our CT Club members.
Yeah.
So if you want to check us out on CT Club, you get trade alerts, you get portfolio updates. Did a lot of portfolio updates lately, or trade alerts lately. Yeah. So I think we scored. Anyways, let's
the link
get
for
into
that
this.
Is down below in the video description if you want to check it out.
And like and subscribe this video too.
Yeah,
right.
If you want.
Yeah.
Okay, here's today's question.
Go for it.
As we all know, it's likely the fifth leg of the bull run. So, won't it be advisable, rather, this is not financial advice, this is just our opinion, for entertainment and educational purposes only. Anyway, so won't it be advisable rather to rein your horses for bear and then start investing, since at the max one can do is a 3 to 5x in the part of the fifth leg remaining? What's the logic of buying and taking more risk in this leg, since eventually bear is going to be there unless you believe in super cycles? Can you please explain? Good question. I mean, the concept of, you're definitely taking on more risk the later on into a bull market that you buy. Obviously, the timing is more short term. The potential profits aren't as likely or, volatile as it would be had you invested a year ago. But this concept of, the best you can do is a 3 to 5x. I think that's true if you're considering Bitcoin, which maybe that's what you're talking about. And if that's the case, maybe this makes sense for you. Maybe according to your investment strategy, according to your style of investing, you see the risk and it's too risky for you, and you'd rather wait for a proper bear market capitulation.
We had a cat here.
Capitulation, and where we're in a bear market, everyone's calling crypto dead and no one's talking about it, and it's going on years because bear markets tend to last much longer in crypto. What are your thoughts, Toby? Is it too risky to buy crypto now? What's the point?
I think for some people it's very risky for some people. If you have a really short mindset within like 1 or 2 months and you want to make some quick buck, I think it's stupid. Like, because you don't know where we are heading. I have people all the time asking me.
So, guys, tell me what you think on that. I will leave the link down in the description below so that you will be able to watch it yourself. And yeah, so give me your thoughts on that, guys. And yeah, once again, this is the Crypto Cello News channel, guys. I'm going to say one more time, I'm not a financial advisor, so please, please, please do your own research, guys. I will also be making future videos on my method here, the BOSS method. It is a very good method. It's been working for me for a long time. Like I said, I've kind of been in and out of the crypto space for a very long time now, since before 2017. I've been in it since like 2015, researching the whole time. That's all I've been doing. I've been working on the side. I've had my little problem here and there, but I'm good to go now. I'm doing better in my life, and I'm ready to give the world all the knowledge that I have on crypto and everything I've been learning through all these years. So please bear with me, guys. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. There will be a lot more videos here to come in the future, okay? So please give me this chance to show you guys the crypto world and how this is going to change everything about this life as we know it today. Have a good one, guys, and out. Oh yeah, one more thing. BTFD, guys, buy the freaking dip. Hoo, hoo, hoo.